Physical contact is how goats say, "I like you so much." When
走，回家走。
When spin mode running at max capacity, location services lose signal. Not care. Some heroes wear capes, others use teeth.
Come on, let's go. Is a car coming?
Turtles may be slow, but she refuses to be excluded from any family activity.
We gotta get you to a test trip. You wanna go?
Even without seeing human, Puppy can sense. Night can't stop a true explorer on a treasure hunting mission.
Wanna go again?
¿Qué dice, hermano?
Nothing stops true enthusiasm, not even the law of physics.
Gel Gofret. Oğlum gel bir şey. Gel bir şey yok bir şey. Gel bir şey. Oğlum yok bir şey. Tamam yok bir şey.
No, you're not. You're supposed to pick.
To calm the puppy down, the vet practices the shot on a teddy bear first.
Show me your hand span next to it. Good.
Endless for the cancer patient. Doggo's presence is a remedy for his heart. No thanks and left. The real main character never runs away. I like it. I want it.
That is so dramatic. Really.
When puppy's teething and everything becomes a chew toy.
Pretty little Malinois, you've got that gator's jaw. Some might think you're crazy, but you're my baby.
You don't wanna be at the vet, I know. I know.
A quality control officer that no one asked for.
Hey, get down. No. Bad Hazel. Bad Hazel. No.
Do you hear that?
It's okay.
If it moves, slides, and belongs to a human, the dog wants it. Doggo mission. Ensure baby snug, cozy, and fully covered.
Bye, Kendall. Bye.
Close your mouth. It's hot. Thank you.
Up your food on the floor. Quick.
DIY Snout Makeover, sponsored by Mother Nature. fact, fish love bright colors and movement.
Trooper, where you at? There, Trooper. Do you want a treat?
He started growling when he sniffed me. Come here.
What's your mom?
Here's a baby. Oakley.
It's okay.
From wild heart to polite patient, even the world's fastest cat knows when it's time to stay still.
It's gone. Go get. Oh.
Serious sniffing. That's not a look. That's a full revenge storyline loading.
You ever seen anything like it? Oh, they're creating the place, aren't they?
Ми спеціально робимо. А може ні, він боїться великої машини.
See anything bigger than him? Anything bigger than him?
You could just go around when you're climbing the fence instead. How cute! Oh my goodness.
Fun fact, bears cool off in water, but this cub turned it into a full entertainment system.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Just a couple.
Just a couple more.
Okay. He doesn't need this kind of abuse. He already went to the vet today. Oh! Hey!
They're getting out. They're coming towards us. Step back. Norma, paso.
Oh. You heard your baby, didn't you? I'm sorry, no wonder you freaked out earlier.
It's okay. It's okay, Salem.
Hello, come here.
Let's see if you'll do it.
When a baboon likes you, you'll know immediately. That neck kiss means... When spin mode running at max capacity, location services lose signal.
Taz, we're weaning. You can't.
And one of you guys keeps irritating the other employees as they're trying to work. And somebody keeps in the shop on the floor. This is a problem.
Surprised she's let her baby out of her sight. So.
Happiness in their tiny calls when they find her again.
What's this? What's this?
With zero self-control. Goats don't recognize ownership when it comes to food. This kitten's current question: why does the cloud have legs?
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
It's hysterical.
Doggo didn't interrupt. He applied background noise.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh.
Georgia, say hi. Hi.
Baby elephant slowly discovering that his trunk has a mind of its own. Believes personal hygiene should involve the entire bed and be like,
Startle my goat on the Ring doorbell camera.
panicked because of being lost in the dark. She was the sunshine the monkey needed the most.
Sao con mặc áo chị chạy thế này? Hả? Mà giờ này con
Loading, loading, system error detected. Brain not responding.
This type shit I be talking about.
Yeah, rely on visual cues for safety.
Did we get it? You coming good? Yes. Yes.
Что это было?
Friend in trouble? Don't worry. Instant elephant staircase.
저저 소리만 딱
It was the devil. Come on.
Oh, wait, no, baby. I'm scared.
Oh my god. I can't believe it got down.
Oh my god.
В зеркале, говорит, я сама себя боюсь. Вот, ой, 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 вот.
Done!
You woke up with pasta.